Most people get this wrong and assume a Visa gift card should work online instantly, like a normal debit card. Here's the truth no one tells you. Visa gift cards are not fully activated for every online store by default, and small setup issues can cause immediate declines even when money is available. In this video, you'll learn exactly why your Visa gift card is not working online in 2026, and the simple fixes that actually get it accepted. Let's start with the most common reason. Most Visa gift cards fail online because they are not registered with a billing zip code. Online stores require an address verification system check, and if your card has no zip code attached, the payment gets rejected instantly. This is where most people fail without realizing it. So the first fix is simple. Go to the back of your gift card or the issuer website and register your card. Add your name, address, and zip code. Think of someone like John in Texas buying something online. Once he registers his card correctly, the same purchase that failed before suddenly goes through. Now here's the second issue. Even if your card is registered, some websites block prepaid gift cards. Big platforms like subscription services, ride apps, or streaming sites may flag them as risky. But here's the problem. The card itself is not broken. It is just being filtered by the merchant system. So what do you do next? This is where it gets interesting. Try using the card with smaller online purchases first. For example, buy a low-cost item or digital product. This helps warm up the card in the system. Once the first transaction is successful, higher value purchases are more likely to go through. Now let's talk about another hidden issue. Some Visa gift cards are not fully activated at purchase. If the cashier did not activate it correctly, or if there is a delay in activation, online payments will fail every time. Always check your balance first before trying again. Also make sure your purchase amount does not exceed the available balance. Even a small mismatch, like a $1 difference due to taxes or fees, can cause a decline. So here is the simple breakdown. Your Visa gift card is usually not broken. It just needs registration, correct billing details, proper activation, and sometimes smaller test transactions. If you follow these steps, most online payment failures get fixed quickly. If this helped you, hit like, leave a comment with your issue, and subscribe for more simple money fixes that actually work in 2026.